Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about what we believe is the best MacBook Charger 2015. The 45W Magnetic Mag2 T-Tip Laptop Charger by SZ96W. If you own a MacBook Air from 2012 to 2017, this charger might just be the perfect match for your device. Offering both performance and safety at a great value. Let's start with what makes this charger stand out. The SZ96W 45W T-Tip charger is designed specifically for MacBook Air models between mid-2012 and 2017, including both 11-inch and 13-inch versions. It's a second-generation MagSafe 2 power adapter, known for its signature magnetic T-shaped connector. That magnetic design ensures your power cable disconnects safely if someone accidentally trips over it, preventing your laptop from being pulled off the table. It's a small touch, but one that Apple users have always loved. Now let's talk power. The charger operates with an input of 100 to 240 volts and an output of 14.85 volts at 3.05 amps. Giving you the full 45 watts your MacBook Air needs to charge efficiently. That means it's globally compatible with most power standards, but if you're using it outside the United States, like in India, you may need a plug converter since it's designed for 110-volt outlets. Another great feature is the LED indicator on the connector. When your MacBook is charging, you'll see an amber light. Once it's fully charged, that light turns green. Simple, intuitive, and effective. You'll always know your battery's status at a glance. In terms of build quality, SZ96W emphasizes safety. The charger includes built-in safeguards against short circuits, overheating, overcharging, and other electrical issues. It even has auto recovery protection, which helps prevent damage from unexpected power surges. For anyone who's experienced a charger burning out prematurely, this level of protection is a welcome feature. Compatibility is also one of the biggest reasons this charger remains a popular choice. It supports models such as the MacBook Air A1465, A1466, A1436, and A1435, basically covering the full range of Air models from 2012 through 2017. Whether you're replacing an original Apple adapter or looking for a reliable spare, this one fits right in. What makes SZ96W's offering appealing is the combination of affordability and dependability. While official Apple chargers tend to be expensive, this one offers a similar performance level with safety assurances and a solid customer service promise. The manufacturer explicitly mentions a responsive 24-hour support system if you face any issues or dissatisfaction, which shows confidence in their product. Overall, this 45W Magnetic Mag2 T-Tip laptop charger is a smart purchase for anyone using a compatible MacBook Air. It blends Apple-like design and safety with a price that's accessible and fair. It's reliable, travel-friendly, and perfect for students, professionals, or anyone looking to replace their old adapter without overspending. That wraps up our take on the best MacBook Charger 2015, the SZ96W 45W Magnetic Mag2 T-Tip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product reviews. This is Product Critique, helping you find the right gear, one review at a time.